Welcome to our culinary journey through Italy. Italy is home to some of the most beloved and delicious dishes in the world, from hearty pastas to crispy pizzas, creamy risottos, and decadent desserts. This list will take you through the top 30 most famous Italian dishes that have conquered hearts worldwide. Which Italian dish is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. 30. Panzanella. A refreshing Tuscan bread salad, panzanella is made with stale bread, ripe tomatoes, red onions, basil, and olive oil. This dish is a summer favorite in central Italy and is a great example of how Italians use simple, fresh ingredients to create something incredibly flavorful. 29. Focaccia. A fluffy, oven-baked flatbread, focaccia is one of Italy's most iconic breads. It is crispy on the outside, soft inside, and infused with olive oil, rosemary, and sea salt. Variations exist across Italy, with Ligurian focaccia being the most famous, often enjoyed plain, with cheese, or topped with tomatoes and olives. 28. Polenta. A dish deeply rooted in northern Italian cuisine, polenta is made by boiling cornmeal into a thick, creamy porridge. It can be served soft and warm with stews and meats or left to cool and then grilled or fried into crispy cakes. In regions like Lombardy and Veneto, it's a traditional comfort food during cold months. 27. Supply. These crispy, deep-fried rice balls from Rome are similar to Sicilian arancini but with a unique twist, a gooey, melted mozzarella center. Supply is a beloved Roman street food, often enjoyed as an appetizer before a hearty Italian meal. 26. Osso buco alla Milanese. A Milanese specialty, osso buco is a slow-braised veal shank cooked in white wine, broth, and vegetables, traditionally served with risotto alla Milanese. The key to this dish is the bone marrow, which adds incredible richness and depth to the sauce. 25. Saltimbocca. Meaning, jumps in the mouth, saltimbocca is a Roman dish made with thin veal slices, prosciutto, and sage, sautéed in butter and white wine. Its tender, savory flavors make it one of Italy's most beloved meat dishes. 24. Ribollita. A hearty Tuscan soup, ribollita is a peasant dish made with beans, kale, cabbage, and stale bread. Originally a way to repurpose leftovers, this stew-like soup is now a comforting winter dish across Italy. 23. Baccalà alla Vicentina. A dish from Veneto, baccalà alla Vicentina is made with salted cod slow-cooked in milk, onions, and olive oil, served with polenta. The fish becomes incredibly tender and rich, making it a favorite among seafood lovers. 22. Vitello tonnato. A unique northern Italian dish, vitello tonnato is thinly sliced veal covered in a creamy tuna caper sauce. Served cold, it's a classic summer dish, particularly in Piedmont and Lombardy. 21. Bagna cotta. A warm, garlicky dip from Piedmont, made with anchovies, garlic, olive oil, and butter. Traditionally served with raw vegetables like fennel, peppers, and celery, it's a dish that brings people together during cozy winter gatherings. 20. Bruschetta. A simple but classic Italian antipasto, bruschetta is made of grilled bread rubbed with garlic and topped with fresh tomatoes, basil, olive oil, and salt. Variations include toppings like mushrooms, prosciutto, and ricotta. 19. Prosciutto e meloni. A delicious summer appetizer, this dish pairs sweet cantaloupe melon with delicate, salty prosciutto. The contrast of flavors makes it a staple at Italian summer gatherings. 18. Gnocchi. Soft, pillowy potato dumplings, gnocchi can be served with a variety of sauces, from butter and sage to tomato sauce or creamy gorgonzola. This dish is a favorite across northern and central Italy. 17. Caprese salad. A simple yet perfect combination of fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, basil, olive oil, and balsamic glaze, originating from Capri. This dish represents the colors of the Italian flag and is a symbol of fresh, authentic Italian flavors. 16. Pesto alla Genovese. A beloved sauce from Liguria, made with fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. Traditionally served with trophy pasta or gnocchi, pesto alla genovese is one of Italy's most famous sauces. 15. Arancine. Crispy, golden-fried rice balls stuffed with ragu, meat sauce, mozzarella, and peas, originating from Sicily. These delicious snacks are a staple of Sicilian street food. 14. Risotto alla Milanese. A luxurious saffron-infused risotto, famous in Milan. Its creamy texture and rich flavor make it one of the most elegant rice dishes in the world. 13. Carbonara. One of Rome's most famous pasta dishes, made with guanciale, cured pork cheek, eggs, pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. No cream, just pure, creamy goodness from the emulsified egg sauce. 12. Lasagna. One of Italy's most world-famous baked pasta dishes, made with layers of pasta, rich meat sauce, bechamel, and Parmesan cheese. Originating in Emilia-Romagna, lasagna is a comforting dish loved worldwide. 11. Ravioli. Pasta pillows filled with ricotta, spinach, or meat, served in tomato sauce, butter, or creamy truffle sauce. Ravioli has endless variations across Italy. 10. Tortellini. Tortellini are small, ring-shaped stuffed pasta originating from Emilia-Romagna, particularly in Bologna and Modena. Traditionally filled with pork, prosciutto, mortadella, and Parmigiano Reggiano, they are most commonly served in a rich broth. 9. Spaghetti alle vongole. A beloved Neapolitan pasta dish, spaghetti alle vongole is made with fresh clams, garlic, white wine, olive oil, parsley, and sometimes chili flakes. It can be prepared in bianco, without tomatoes, or in rosso, with a touch of tomatoes. The secret to its incredible flavor lies in the salty, briny taste of the clams, which infuses the sauce with a delicate seafood essence. 8. Orecchiette con cime di rapa. A regional specialty from Puglia, orecchiette con cime di rapa is a rustic, flavorful pasta dish made with small ear-shaped pasta, sautéed rapini, broccoli rabe, garlic, olive oil, and anchovies. The bitterness of the greens balances beautifully with the richness of the olive oil and umami-packed anchovies, creating a simple yet satisfying meal that perfectly represents southern Italian cuisine. 7. Parmigiana di melanzane. Often compared to lasagna, Parmigiana di melanzane, eggplant parmesan, is a classic dish from southern Italy, especially Sicily and Campania. It consists of layers of fried eggplant slices, rich tomato sauce, fresh basil, and mozzarella cheese, all baked together until golden and bubbling. 6. Bistecca alla Fiorentina. One of Italy's most famous meat dishes, bistecca alla Fiorentina is a thick-cut T-bone steak, traditionally from the Chianina breed of cattle in Tuscany. The steak is grilled over an open flame, seasoned with just salt, pepper, and olive oil, and served rare to medium rare to maintain its juiciness and tenderness. 5. Tagliatelle al ragu, bolognese. Often mistaken for spaghetti bolognese, which is not authentically Italian, tagliatelle al ragu is the real deal from Bologna, Emilia-Romagna. The slow-cooked meat sauce is made with minced beef and pork, onions, carrots, celery, tomato paste, red wine, and a touch of milk for creaminess. The sauce is traditionally paired with fresh, egg-based tagliatelle pasta, which holds the rich, flavorful ragu perfectly. 4. Pizza margherita. A true symbol of Italian cuisine, pizza margherita originated in Naples and represents the colors of the Italian flag: red, tomato sauce white, mozzarella di bufala. Green, fresh basil. The dough is made from just flour, water, yeast, and salt, creating a thin, crispy yet chewy base. The ingredients are simple yet of the highest quality. 3. Tiramisu. One of the most famous Italian desserts, tiramisu is a decadent no-bake dessert made with layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers, savoiardi, mascarpone cheese, eggs, sugar, and cocoa powder. Originating in Veneto, this dessert is light, creamy, and packed with coffee flavor, making it the perfect way to end a meal. 2. Gelato. Unlike regular ice cream, Italian gelato is denser, creamier, and richer in flavor due to its lower fat content and slower churning process. Made with milk, sugar, and natural flavorings like chocolate, pistachio, hazelnut, and fruit, gelato is a must-try when visiting Italy. The best gelato is made fresh daily and served at a slightly warmer temperature, allowing the flavors to shine. 1. Pasta al pomodoro. At the heart of Italian cuisine is pasta al pomodoro, a simple yet perfect pasta dish that highlights the essence of Italian flavors. Made with fresh tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and basil, this dish is a celebration of simplicity and quality ingredients. Often paired with spaghetti, penne, or rigatoni, it showcases what makes Italian food so special, fresh, flavorful, and satisfying without being overly complex. Pasta al pomodoro is the foundation of Italian cuisine, proving that sometimes, the simplest dishes are the best. That's our journey through Italy's most iconic dishes. Which Italian dish is your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food adventures.